Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get rid of OmeTV ban. So this is helpful because it shows you the quickest way. Malito. So this is helpful because it shows you the quickest way to contact OmeTV support from your phone so that you can ask them to review your ban and help you get your account back. So first open up Chrome or any browser on your mobile phone and then search for OmeTV and then hit enter. So once the website opens, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap Contacts. And then after that, tap Contact at OmeTV, and then you'll see two options. Select Gmail. It will open an email draft for the subject, so type banned account. So in this message, write something like, "Hello OmeTV, I got banned for nothing. Please help me unban my account." Also include your account email, username, and your OmeTV account name so that they can find your account faster. So after you send the email, their support team should reply within a few hours and help fix the issue. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and like and subscribe for more tips.